So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can change the preference language, or you can say change the interface language of your Steam account, which is the basic language that the language has been displayed when you open the Steam and all the content you consume on Steam. The basic interface language, you can change it as per your convenience via going to settings of the Steam. Now in order to do this process, all you have to do is to just simply open the Steam client on your device. Once you open the Steam client, you can see it is the basic interface of the Steam clients once you open it. And on the you have to go to the settings to do this process, and to go to the settings you have to click on the left top corner. You will find an option of Steam, and when you click there, here you will find on the small window the option of settings over there. Just simply click on this option of settings. Now you are in the settings window of the Steam account, or you can say the Steam client. Now on the left window, here you have to find an option of interface. You can find that option via there. You can see on the 5th 6th number it's there, the interface option. Just simply click on this option of interface. Now you are in the interface settings of the Steam client. Now here you will see on the first option only. You don't need to find it anywhere else. You'll find that option on the top of the list only, which says Steam client language, which is preferably most probably selected English. By clicking on this, you will select any of the language as per your preferences. You can see many of the languages being there in order to select as the language as per your preference, or you can see you can select any native language of yourself as well. Once you are done with the selection, here it says you need to restart the Steam client in order to make the changes. Once you are select the language, just simply hit restart on the Steam client, and the language preference, or you can say the language interface of the Steam client has been updated. So by this method you can easily update the Steam client language, or you can say the interface language. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having some more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.